My name is Hermain Ambriz. I'm an artist, street artist.
Antioch had constructed a wall that was related to the Highway 4 project, and there was a vision to put a mural on this wall. So Herm started showing me some concept, and I was really drawn to this one piece that had a lot of color to it.
Just knowing that my background in color, that was no problem.
And within a day, he came up with this amazing concept.
He was like, wow, okay, let's talk, you know? And that's how that all happened.
One of the big challenges with this project is the surface of the wall itself. The wall is made of bricks and it has a lot of texture and there's a lot of gaps. So I said, well, okay, Herm, how long is it gonna take to do this? And he says, oh, I can do it in a week. I had all these other muralists telling me it was gonna take months and months. And he says, no, we'll do it in spray paint. And he did, he got it done.
The spray paint process is a very, very fast process. And we tackled that 215-foot wall in 5 days. Once I get in with the paint, it's all about sketching it, making sure everything's well balanced, and then having my brother Josh Ambriz color, make sure the paint's nice and thick. And then at the end was me cutting in with the black, and then highlights and all that good stuff. It's a beautiful process. It's a symphony. I've been working in that area for the past 22 years, all through Antioch, through every artery, every vein. You see rich people going by there, you see poor people, you see all sorts of kids, all different backgrounds and nationalities. So I went home and then I started drawing up faces. Some faces look mad, some faces look angry, some faces look happy. But at the end of the day, the concept is love conquers all, sees through everything.
And overwhelmingly, just about everybody we showed it to said, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I just love this mural. I love this concept.
You know, it's a motherly love, and that's where the concept came from. No matter what I went through, I always knew that I had my mother's love, you know, regardless of what I was doing. So that's where the inspiration and everything came to be, you know, was love conquers all. In my introduction, I told the kids, I'm not the type of educator that's gonna stand in front of a podium and dictate or tell you how to do things. I want you to come over here and express and be yourself. Putting the art out there and inspiring other people, you know, impact art.
The City of Antioch is committed to youth voice and youth uplift, and we couldn't be prouder and more excited to be able to partner with community members such as Herm, who's a local artist doing great things in our community, and being really collaborative with our youth so they not only serve as participants who are learning and growing, but they're also actively being community contributors.
I always tell them, as much as I'm educating you guys are educating and inspiring me. So my message to the youth would be, you know, engage in your communities, you know, sign up for these programs. We have a lot of educators that are doing beautiful things for the city of Antioch. Myself, I'm just one of many, many artists locally there, but I just want to inspire you, for you to progress in art, whether it's digital media or just being a muralist and just being involved in your community and making things beautiful, you know?